By not reporting the mechanical failure, he had placed many lives in jeopardy. That is, the situation had become dangerous. Does jeopardy mean danger, a game-like situation, faulty machinery, or the public light? Looking at our sentence, we see that after the word jeopardy, there is a semicolon and the words "that is." These are our signal words, showing us that the sentence is going to show us another way to express the idea of placing many lives in jeopardy. In this case, the situation had become dangerous. From here we can understand that jeopardy means danger. Let's take a look at our choices and see the one that best matches our definition. The first choice is the word danger, which seems to be just what we're looking for, but we're going to go on just to be sure. A game-like situation can be crossed off, as that doesn't have anything to do with danger. While faulty machinery is dangerous, it doesn't mean danger in general, so that can be marked off as well. And the public light, again, doesn't have to do with danger. Therefore, our answer is A, danger.